See, the thing is, once you graduate from YSPH, you gain this intense and academic sense of empathy. There is something about this discipline that gives each of us this universal tool for change and impact. You can't avoid it. You look and interpret the world first through the lens of empathy and humanity. And that is a rare gem when the world looks the way it does today.
Public health isn't just about science. It's about rebuilding trust, restoring dignity, and protecting hope when it feels most endangered. It's about standing in the spaces where others have given up and saying, not us. We don't retreat from challenges. We rise to them.
I know that you, our YSPH graduates, are exactly the people who will be able to rebuild trust, potentiating much-needed systems change. This is what we've trained you to do. Now, our graduates, as you leave Yale, it will be your turn. I trust you. Go forth and do awesome things. Congratulations, class of 2025.